bones.
Tiny bones. Mother, is that you? Ruff, ruff, ruff. You're right. This isn't me. I'm not Jock Wilder raised by wolves. I'm Larry Wilder, raised by chihuahuas. I'm sorry, Kick. My inner Wilder ran wild and wanted to make a crown out of your tiny, tiny bones.
Hey, it happens to the best of us, Larry.
Thank you, Kick, for teaching me that you can't experience the great outdoors when you're inside an electric fence. Oh, yes, of course. Thanks, Mom.
What'd she say?
Oh, just that where we're standing is unstable and will likely give way any
Look, it's the camp. Time to unleash our inner Wilders. Rock, tree, boulder, and launch! Kings of the jungle.
One with nature! We rock! No problem.
We can take them.
No problemo. I'll take one side.
And I'll take the other. Easy as pie.
Well, we're goners.
Yes, I would say so. We're saved! Wow, how'd you learn to do that?
The jungle changes a man.
And where's Jock Wilder, Gunther?
Don't call me Gunther. Gunther is defeated. I am now and forever known as
The King of the Jungle!
Behold, the Jock Wilder Celebrity Skull Crown based on me, Jock Wilder. This sculpted, almost casted, near-perfect plastic replica of my very own skull can be all yours, only at the Jock Wilder Safari Store. Wear one of these babies and get your own Jock Wilder on. So, what do you say, kids?